Biotechnology is a vast and multidisciplinary field that harnesses the power of biology and technology to revolutionize various aspects of our life. It involves the use of biological systems, living organisms, or derivatives thereof to develop innovative products, technologies, and processes. The applications of biotechnology are diverse and far reaching, transforming the healthcare industry through the development of life saving drugs, vaccines, and diagnostic tools. Genetic engineering has enabled the creation of genetically modified crops with improved yields and resistance to diseases, enhancing food security and sustainable agriculture. Biotechnology has also made significant strides in environmental conservation, developing sustainable solutions for waste management, pollution control, and climate change mitigation. Furthermore, it has industrial applications in the production of biofuels, bioplastics, and other value added products. Biotechnology has also led to breakthroughs in regenerative medicine, tissue engineering, and synthetic biology. Scientists have inserted spider silk genes into silkworms, allowing them to produce spider silk proteins in their silk glands. This modified silk combines the exceptional strength and elasticity of spider silk with the commercial viability of silk production. The field is constantly evolving with advancements in gene editing tools like CRISPR and genome engineering opening up new possibilities for disease treatment and prevention. Biotechnology has also enabled the creation of biosensors, which are used for detecting biomolecules, tracking environmental pollutants, and monitoring food safety. Furthermore, biotechnology has enabled the development of novel drug delivery systems such as gene therapy and RNA interference, which offers new hope for treating genetic diseases. The field of biotechnology continues to evolve with emerging areas like systems biology, computational biology, and synthetic biology, holding immense promise for future innovations.